Hey, so welcome back to my channel. So this is a TT video. Sorry it's been so long in filming another TT video, but I've been so damn busy with work and loads of things, to be honest, which have taken up most of my time. But we're back, and this one is in regards to my brake calipers. I don't know whether many of you follow me on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram thing here, R44 TT. So I've been documenting the colour change of my calipers. They, obviously, if you watch a couple of videos back, you'll see when I painted my brake calipers myself, I put this banging purple on it. Well, that purple has faded, and I'll show you what it's faded to. You can see this has now gone to a pinky purpley colour, and basically it's supposed to be a high it's supposed to be like a high temperature paint, but unfortunately the paint has just gone kind of like a milky white mixed with a pink. It's actually been a bit of a problem, to be honest, but now it looks absolutely crap, so I need to change it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you and document what I've been actually doing in the last week, and hopefully it's going to turn out for the best. Fingers crossed. So this is where it started, my basic TT brakes. Ed, my mate, sold me his TTS brakes, which he had this blue on, scrubbing, sanding for 9 hours to get this blue off, but eventually I did get it off. I wanted it to this purple colour. I got a sample, purple looked really good. Let's go and spray them, put a nice base coat on. Candy Vivid Violet it was called, did not look the same as what I wanted it to. It did have a nice pop to it, but it just wasn't what I wanted. Then I ruined it by putting these Porsche decals on it, and I got absolutely ripped to shreds. So I took the decals off eventually. Then I matched up some decals for the other parts of the car, got some decals for the side skirts. Then I put the Audi's decals on, put some high temperature lacquer across them to seal them all, got them installed, and then I did the rears in the same colour. Everything looked pretty good. Then it all started to go a little bit pinky, and then this is where it wore out. So you can see the before and after, that wearing. So now over to Whoops to do their job.
Next in, everyone knows this car surely. Rappy with his TT. What there is to know about TTs isn't worth knowing if Darren doesn't know. In it goes. We're changing the colour in the calipers from pinky purple to the Rosso Red. Classic vibe. What a TT. Don't think there's anything more you could do to that.
Boys gave me a tour of their office, and they've got these model cars. Every one of them has got something unique about them. Very detailed engine bays, and everything's pretty much like for like. All the switches and buttons and the carpets and all sorts. But yeah, these are absolutely incredible model cars, which are a different level to the stuff I used to collect back in the day. But absolutely awesome bits of kit.
Oh yeah, snort.
Montana production.
To red from that shitty purple, that faded purple colour, but absolutely made up. Look at these, the back, rear's looking really lovely as well, really wet. Rosso Red, Ferrari Rosso Red. They've done a brilliant job. Didn't even take them off the car, but they look absolutely great. Now let's get the wheels on.